Hotel is like our second home, without which our day never starts. About 5 to 6 members of our group. Daily they have their breakfast and they have tea, and then we disperse from here. Our association with this hotel is, for me at least, for 30 years. I have not seen such a lovely hotel in the entire Twin City. It is so pleasant and so nicely arranged. That is our good luck.
So the recipes were founded by my grandfather's brother Babu Rao, and the same recipes have been continuing till now. So we made sure that the cooks who used to work have passed it on to the present cooks, and we monitor the taste on a daily basis, at least at 3 levels, that is my dad, my brother and myself, other than the supervisors. So we make sure that there is no even slight change of the taste. And even our raw material procurement and all is still from the same vendors since last 40-50 years. That hasn't changed. The raw material which comes in is checked for the quality, everything thoroughly. So that's how we maintain the consistency. Part of our central kitchen is based out in Secunderabad, so which processes batter, idli batter, dosa batter and coffee decoction. So the entire process you must have seen is hand and touch. So right from the washing of the grains till the processing and the fermentation, everything is hand and touch. So that was done with an intention to maintain the same taste quality, but to process it in a more scientific way. The batter is sent fresh on a daily basis, so that there is no compromise on quality. So once it comes here, again it is thoroughly checked here for the consistency and the taste. Then accordingly it is modified if there is any modifications required. But otherwise usually everything is done there, checked at least twice there, and only then sent here.
I've been coming since my childhood along with my dad, and till date I personally enjoy the breakfast over here every day. Apart from that, coming to the quality and all, our dad had always told us that quality is the utmost importance you all have to give. Don't look at pricing and all aqua. Look at the quality of the products what you all are giving. So till date, whatever new raw materials we procure, everything apart from our regular raw materials, it is thoroughly checked by us, the quality check, then only we give them approval to go ahead and use the product and all.
I have grown up coming to this hotel and having breakfast especially, and this is more like a family place if you ask me. My favorite dish here is masala dosa. Yeah, the taste is like, they maintain the same taste. There is no dip in the quality, or there is no alteration in the quality. Both it's soft and crispy at the same time. Sambar and chutney, and you drink sambar here like water actually. More than water, I drank sambar.
Taj Mahal is good food, good hospitality. For me, it is like my own, it's my heartbeat kind of thing. It's so close to my heart actually. So that's how I have been grown up, like, seeing this hotel right from my childhood, along with my father, uncle and all my brothers, everyone. People who come even after say about 20-25 years, they swear by the taste actually. If nothing has changed, it's same good old Taj actually. The coffee, the idli, vada, dosas, our meals, cutlet, basundis and coffee. These are all their favorite in that order. So this been their, like, a sort of a handover, like meeting place for most of them. That's how the journey has been so far. Apart from that, we have introduced, due to these changing tastes of our customers, and like all this North Indian, Chinese, other things were added. Buffet, like buffet, we were the first ones to introduce in this state actually. At least in this space, we have been first when we introduced buffet in Taj Raisa way back in 2000. So basically, our whole aim is to it's a complete family experience. When you come with a family, your kids must be enjoying all this Manchurian, ice cream, sweets, everything. Maybe middle-aged group, combination of all these things. Older people, they stick to curd rice. So everything, a combination of everything we try and fit. And it has to be a wholesome meal, enjoyable for the entire family. If you have seen, as you enter, near the outgate, we have a large tree actually. So most of this, after they come out, we have they smoke cigarette, or most of this meeting, everything, deal, everything happens over there. That's considered very lucky. Under the tree, they talk everything. They finalize most of the deals. That's one incident I still remember, a lot of people doing that. At the end of the day, it is our customers who are our loyal patrons who have kept this business going. I'm really thankful for them patronizing this hotel even now. We want to continue to cater to their second generation, third generation who have been even in future. That's been it's our endeavor to give the best food actually possible.
Taj Mahal is an experience. It has become an household brand. Ivala Roju vegetarian food lo, it has become an household brand. Many people who have been coming since their childhood days, they still come over here, everything. And now we have opened up in Jubilee Hills, one of our branch. Many people have shifted from their residence from this part of town to Jubilee Hills and all. They are visiting our Jubilee Hills branch as well. Apart from that, we have one in Secunderabad, which is a 3-star hotel by brand Taj Tri-Star. We have 3 outlets in IT parks towards Gachibowli. We are planning to come up with a few outlets in luxury residential colonies.
This building, what you're seeing, was a Parsi gentleman's house before. This particular building, it was his house, and these rooms, what you're seeing, was his this thing where he used to keep his horses, which was converted into rooms later. And this room was his kitchen. So this building was on lease originally, and my grandfather bought it out from.
I am from Bombay. Taj Mahal Hotel is my favorite place, especially the button idli. We should. I am seriously. हमें ये dish खानी ही चाहिए. This is very good.
Mother ki Nakono, Taj Mahal, one of our favorite places to have Sunday morning brunch, and also tiffins per se are extremely good. All of them with genuine taste maintained చేస్తున్నారు. నా చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి the same quality and also అదే consistency ఉంది. That's what makes Taj Mahal a great place, I guess.
I am coming to this hotel from 1947 when Sundar Rao was there, and there are 2 reasons. One, their courtesy is very good staff, very hygienic, and we are very satisfied with the service. I am very much happy and very about the Taj Mahal Hotel. I wish it should grow more, especially Taj Mahal Hotel dosa is very same, quality same, idli same, everything fine. This is the best hotel.
It's always been like a tradition for a family to come over to a place here and eat like every morning. Like if there is a festival or an occasion, like my birthday or anyone's birthday or any celebration, any kind, we come over here. And the first round would be a round of idli. Like that's 2 plate idli and 1 with vada is like the tradition of us. And then later we have something of our choice. So whenever I come, my favorite is rava dosa. I just love it.
Been a customer of Taj Mahal for almost like 2 decades right now, and right from childhood I've been coming over here. Taste is still the same, the quality is still the same. They don't compromise on the quality of anything, and the food is always delicious.
हाँ, ताज महल हम लोग 22 साल से आ रहे इधर. हर संडे आते, फूड बहुत अच्छा है इधर का. हर चीज अच्छा है, कोई में भी क्लेम नहीं कर सकते आपकी. बहुत अच्छा सर्विस है.
మా ఫుడ్ తిన్న వాళ్ళందరూ హెల్తీగా ఉండాలి, హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ మెయిన్ ఇంటెన్షన్. అంటే మా ఇంకొక మాట చెప్పారు ఒకరోజు మా ఆదిత్య గారు నాతో, అంటే ఆయనకి వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ చెప్పారంట చంద్రశేఖరరావు గారు, ఏమని అంటే మన ఇంటికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు మనం మన ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు సొంత మనుషులు ఎలా పెడితే భోజనం నమ్మకంతో తింటాము మనం, అదే విధంగా మన హోటల్కి వచ్చి మన కస్టమర్లు అందరూ అలా తినాలి అని, ఆ నమ్మకం ఒకటి డెవలప్ చేయాలని ఆయనకు ఉంది. అదే మాట చెప్పారు, మేము అదే ఫాలో అవుతున్నాం.